Golden Book's Richard Scarry's trains. Greenbug has a little engine. He takes trips in it. Everywhere he goes, he looks for his friend Goldbug. Can you find Goldbug in every picture? A freight train rattles along a bumpy track. Where is Goldbug? The railroad crossing guard lowers the crossing gate. Greenbug does not want to hit any cars when they are driving over the railroad tracks. Greenbug sees a passenger train passing by on another track. Does he see Goldbug? Greenbug's little engine pulls a large freight car with bug cars on it. There are many kinds of freight cars that carry different things. Hucklecat and Lowly Worm drive their engine and pull a caboose. Greenbug now has a pickle train. But where is Goldbug? At a station on the way, people stop to buy food. Greenbug now drives a fruit train. Oh dear! A train engine jumped off the track. Luckily, no one was hurt. Mr. Fix-It is here to fix the engine. He really will fix it. Yes, he will. Oh no. Now look at what has happened. The door of a boxcar filled with oranges came open. If Greenbug doesn't stop, his engine will make a lot of orange juice. Look out, Greenbug. Do not run into that potato wagon. Just in time, Lowly Worm changes the tracks. Thank you, Lowly. Greenbug has returned to the station after his trip. But look. Mr. Frumble drove his car into the station and knocked a train off the track. Don't worry, Mr. Fix-It will fix it. Choo-choo, choo-choo. Greenbug finally found his friend Goldbug and has invited him on a ride.